Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. And this video we are going to reassign IP address to old COM card. And my last video we have assigned new IP address to COM card for Allen Bradley VFD drive, so you can control your VFD drive remotely. But in this video I'm going to reassign IP address to old COM card for VFD drive. It's really hard to uh, reassign IP address, but in this video we have figured out how you can use your old COM card with the new IP address. Now first I will show you when I have hooked up how it will look like. As you can see, I have a VFD drive and COM card already connected, powered up. My COM card connected to Allen Bradley PowerFlex VFD drive, and COM card connected through the Ethernet cable. One end to my COM card, second end I have connected to my PC. If you have a new COM card, then you need a just MAC address from your COM card. But if you are going to reassign, then you need your MAC ID plus you need already assigned IP address. Like say you have already assigned IP address to this one, you need that IP address too, because first we have to enable or delete the IP address we already assigned. So just say you have an old IP address already and MAC ID is always on the COM card you can find on the chip. So then we have to go to our PC. We are going to use BootP software. But before we use that software, we are going to change some Ethernet settings so we can connect to this COM card. So we are going to change network adapter settings, network protocol 4. We are going to put an same group. As my old IP address is 194, 123, 123, 123, 194, I'm going to put in the same group over here. So once we change all the settings, we just save information. Then we will go to BootP software. You will see your IP address. You have already an adapter settings pick up at the first part, and you will see your IP address or your MAC address already appeared at the bottom. If it doesn't show, then probably you need to cycle your cycle power of your COM card and VFD drive. So at this point it says disable command successfully, and to make sure we have an IP address already, then we are going to open our RS Links Classic and we will check if we have a VFD drive can see. You can see all the other VFD drives are off, only one is on because that one already connected. To reassign, first we are going to enable this IP address already assigned. It says enable. Now we are going to delete. You right click and delete. Once you delete, you close this program, and now we need a new IP address you are going to assign to this card. If your new IP address and a different group, then you have to go back on your network adapter settings. You have to change your IP address at network protocol 4. Like say first IP address was in my same group. Now if you have a different, like say 192, 168, whatever, then you have to put a local area network IP address and same group. So I'm not going to change, but we can put any, like say I have a 245, you can put 230, 235, whatever. It need to be couple number higher and the same group. You save all the information, close this one, go back, reboot your VFD drive and COM card. You open BootP, you will see your card here. If you don't see that, I say I have not reboot yet, but I'm going to reboot. Once you reboot, you will see your card is connected to your local area network. So now I have a powered off. As soon as it will be powering on, it will show here. It shows in a red color, not connected. It will show no internet network, but it was connected. So now we are going to use our MAC ID. You right click, and here we are going to put new IP address. We are going to assign. We are going to reassign. Actually, we have already enabled and delete old one, Now we are going to put new IP address. Before it was 194. Now whatever your IP address you can put, and you can process same. Like, we are going to right click, we are going to disable. It's gonna take a couple seconds. If you done quick like I have it done, probably gonna give you some kind of error. But all the way bottom where is have error and message, it will tell you IP address is already sent. So you can double try or give a couple seconds and try again. It's I haven't done a couple times, but as you can see, I have an error already. It doesn't take as a unable. But if you see on the bottom, it says sent. IP address is already sent, so I'm going to try one more time. And it says disabled command successfully. Now our new IP address is already assigned to the COM card we have already old and used. Now we are going to open our RS Links Classic again and make sure our IP address is already implemented. IP address is already written on our COM card. So we are going to open our network where we are going to look. It will take a couple seconds. You will see all the drive will be crossed out. Only the drive is like connected, it will show. As you can see here, we have a new IP address already written on the COM card. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with the new topic.